got buy-in obviously, and there will be translation after every answer. So who wants to go first, please? Paul, thanks.
We'll start 3 Euros, right?
Yeah, perfect start really. Clean sheet, obviously 3 points. And there was a bit of pressure on us. You know, I tried to play it down beforehand, but you know, you can't hide from the fact that the other teams have played, and Croatia and obviously Slovakia had got 3 points, so there was a little bit of pressure on us. But yeah, glad to see us get them 3 points and a great start.
Big call to.
Are you translating
Yeah.
after? Yeah. Sorry.
Takže se ptal vlastně, jaký byl začátek toho eura a že to byl odpovídat, že to byl perfektní začátek, 3 body, že tam byl trochu na nás jen tlak a Slovensko má také 3 body, Chorvatsko, a jsem rád, že máme 3 body.
Big call to leave that after Ryan. What was the thinking behind that?
I talked about it all week, and just with the advantage that we had physically, we felt I just wanted every player to be playing regular, and that was the only reason. Obviously Ash, you know, we give him 60 minutes, so I still wasn't too sure up until yesterday, and it was the only position really where I was deliberating. But yeah, he come on, saw us home, and no, he's part of the plans going forward. That was the only reason really.
Takže opustil Ashleyho, jaký to byl důvod, že to byla třeba výhoda, kterou jsme měli, ale že chce, aby každý hráč vlastně hrál pravidelně, a dali jsme mu 16 minut a nesložil jsem pouze tady toto a plánovali jsme nějak, jak jít dopředu.
Yeah, no, that's exactly right. He's brought his club form into the international stage, and no, delighted. Because you know his overall game was fantastic, but to top it with a goal was great, and he was just a threat all day. And he will be with that pace, but he's got much more as well. You know, can go either side. He's intelligent. He works hard. A great lad. So it was. No, I'm delighted that he got the winning goal, because that's what you want. You want players playing regular, playing well for their club, and obviously Dan's doing that at the moment.
Takže se ptal vlastně na Dana Jamese a on odpovídal, že vlastně v klubové formě, že celkově ta hra byla fantastická, že byl hrozbou vlastně celý den a že pokud bude tady s tou rychlostí, takže je taky inteligentní a že vlastně chtěl, aby hrál pravidelně.
Ryan, just on Daniel, how far do you think he can go? Because he clearly has those kind of raw materials to succeed, doesn't he?
No, he has. He's a talent, and like when you've got that raw pace, yeah, you're a threat at any level. So, as a winger, obviously, me playing as a winger when I was younger, yeah, you then have to develop the other parts of the game, which I feel that he's doing. He's played up front as well, which will help him, because that gives you a recognition and an appreciation of, you know, if you're playing them balls into centre forward, if you've played there, you know exactly what to do, or it gives you an idea anyway. So no, he can play the position, he can play up front, and no, he just needs to carry on doing what he's doing for Swansea. It's as simple as that.
Se ptal vlastně, jak daleko se může dostat Daniel, a povídal, že je vlastně talentovaný, že je na každé úrovni je vlastně hrozbou a hraje vlastně jako křídlo, a také jsem vlastně hrál jako křídlo, když jsem byl mladší, a také hrál vepředu a tomu pomůže vlastně to rozpoznat, aby věděl, co má dělat, a může hrát tak jako vepředu na útoku, tak a že vlastně měl pokračovat v tom, co dělá pro Swansea.
Right, keeping on the younger player vibe though, did you feel that they kind of upstaged the senior players this afternoon a little bit?
Yeah, I mean, a lot has been made of, you know, playing the younger players, but yeah, they're all playing regular and playing well for their club. So, but as I pointed out in the dressing room, coming into the week, I wanted 2 clean sheets, and without Chris Gunter on Wednesday night, saving it on the goal line, that doesn't happen. without Ashley Williams coming on, seeing us home, Wayne Hennessy, again, doing what he's done for so many years. So, yeah, it's not just about young and old. I've been in both camps. When you're younger, you can learn from the older players. Of course you can, the experience they've got. And when you're older, you can also learn from the younger players. They can be that inspiration. So I'm delighted that everyone contributed during the week. But of course, yeah, you want to focus on the young players. Matty Smith was outstanding. DJ coming in. We have got talented young players, but also you can't do it without the experienced players. And it's not easy leaving them experienced players out. It's not easy at all.
Zase otázka byla ohledně těch mladých hráčů, takže hodně bylo uděláno, že vlastně tady jsou ti mladí hráči, že vlastně hrajou pravidelně pro klub a chceme vlastně, aby to nebylo jenom o těch starých hráčích, ale i o těch mladých, a že vlastně ti mladí se mohou učit od těch starých a zase ti mladí mohou být inspirací pro ty starší a že se vlastně chce zaměřit na ty mladší. A že vlastně Matty Smith, že byl vlastně výjimečný, ale že to nejde vlastně, aby hráli vlastně bez těch zkušených hráčů.
So keeping on that sort of same similar pattern when you talk about the end, I'll put two in one maybe. Leaving Ash Williams, like I say, it was not easy. Obviously that was a difficult decision. I don't know how he reacted, but obviously Gareth was captain. So moving forward, is that now because Ash isn't playing regular first team football, does that hand over the armband to Gareth on a permanent basis?
No, Ash is still the captain because you never know from camp to camp who's playing regular, who's not, who's injured. Yeah, as far as I'm concerned, Ash is the captain. He's a great leader. He took it. Yeah, you're never going to take it well, but he didn't sulk. And you don't want players to take it well. You want them to be upset. You want them to want to be on the pitch. But no, you've seen when he come on, the qualities that he's got, the leadership qualities, and I'm going to need that.
Teď se říkala, že vlastně tam opustit toho Aše, že to bylo docela těžké. Jsem povídal, že Aš je stále kapitán a že z těch vlastně těch kempů, že vlastně neví, kdo vlastně hraje pravidelně, kdo je vlastně zraněn a že vlastně velký vůdce a že vlastně v podstatě chce, aby ti hráči byli tak trochu naštvaní a byli na hřišti a aby vlastně viděli, že má vlastně velkou kvalitu vedení.
Ryan, you said earlier it's not easy to leave out some of the more experienced players. Does that show you've got the sort of ruthless streak necessary to make it as a boss?
No, it's not a ruthless streak. It's just weighing up everything involved. And like I said, the main thing was that the players that I picked were playing regular. And can we use this physical advantage of having the week to build up for the game? And really, it was more or less two teams. Really, obviously the team that played on Wednesday, and then getting the other team, the majority of them, ready physically for this game. With Slovakia having that quick turnaround, I must say Slovakia didn't show any sort of fatigue. They finished strong. Maybe early on, where we played some really good football, it was hard for them to get in the game. But no, that was the only reason really. It wasn't a case of ruthlessness. It was just trying to pick the right team and physically having the team right.
Ale jestli vlastně bylo lehké vlastně opustit ty hodně zkušenější hráče a jsem povídal, že musí zvážit vše, co se do toho zapojuje, že vybírá hráče podle toho, kteří hrajou pravidelně a vypouštěli nějakou fyzickou výhodu a kteří potom taky hrajou vlastně v svých týmech a Slováci vlastně neukázali žádnou únavu, byli silní a vlastně chtěl vybrat takový správný tým, který byl fyzicky v pořádku.
Ryan, sorry.
Were you going to ask it? No, okay. Sorry.
Ryan, you looked dangerous whenever you attacked, but was your heart in your mouth a few times second half? Because Wayne produced a couple of excellent saves, didn't he, when he needed to?
Yeah, it was. Yeah, it was nervy at the end, and yeah, we didn't really punish Slovakia enough in the first half. And yeah, you wonder if that'll come back to haunt you, because second half we were under pressure. Slovakia were fantastic, both physically, and yeah, we had to defend, and defending includes everyone, you know, not just the defenders but also the goalkeeper, and yeah, Wayne's done it time and time again. So yeah, a couple of times, you know, we could have kept the ball better, we could have made better decisions, but it's not easy, and when a team has that momentum, it's difficult to stop. So we'll learn by it, and you know, hopefully it'll stand us in good stead going forward.
Wayne, že vypadal nebezpečně v druhé polovině, co k tomu vedlo. Říkal, že jsme byli nervózní a v první polovině jsme mohli více potrápit vlastně Slovensko, a Slováci hráli fantasticky, fyzicky, na tom byli dobře, a pak vlastně říkali, že tam nejsou jenom obránci, ale i brankáři, a několikrát jsme mohli lépe chytit ten míč a udělat lepší rozhodnutí, a doufá, že to bude vlastně dobrý začátek do budoucna.
Could you say a couple of more questions?
Ryan, what did you make of the partnership of James Lawrence and Chris Macklin at back? Obviously, no, actually, Williams,
yeah, first time they played together, but obviously both good players. Technically good. You know, James is obviously very good on the ball. No, I was happy with them, and a clean sheet as well. You know, you want to try and create partnerships as much as you can. Who knows in the future what the partnership is going to be? But yeah, it's always nice having the right foot and the left foot. But no, I thought they did well, and the defenders set the tone really. You know, with the composure in general. You know, the goalkeeper, the centre halves, and especially first half, they set the tone, building out from the back. Sometimes having to go longer, and they really mixed up the play well.
So you're asking about partnership between James Lawrence and Madden. Já jsem vlastně ptal vlastně na nějaké partnerství mezi James Lawrencem a Madden, a že vlastně poprvé vlastně hráli spolu, a James vlastně to dobře umí s balónem, a že vlastně se pokouší vlastně vytvořit nějaké partnerství, a že jeden hraje na pravou nohu, druhý na levou nohu, a tak je to dobré. A že vlastně obránci vlastně udávali ten tón té hry a v první polovině, a museli více do hřiště a hráli dobře.
One last question.
A poslední otázka.
The World Cup qualifying campaign line was obviously really hampered by those 5 draws, many of which were when Wales were in front. Do you think there's been some acceptance from people with players staff that you know you need to see games out, and obviously you did that today?
Yeah, like I said, we're going to learn from today, because we were put under pressure at the end. But I challenged the players to get more clean sheets, because we feel that the talent that we've got, the attacking talent, that we're always going to create chances. Now, sometimes, you know, you're not going to score loads of goals, but we feel that at any given time, with the talent that we've got in the forward positions, we're going to create chances, we're going to score goals. So that makes it even more important that we do keep clean sheets. And yeah, it's 2 completely different games really. Obviously from Wednesday scoring late, so keeps you in the game, keeps you interested, to today scoring early and then having the determination to make sure that we don't concede any goals. So I'm happy about that.
Takže vlastně se ptal vlastně ohledně té kvalifikace, a vlastně řekl, že dneska jsme se naučili, že tlak vlastně tam byli na konci, a chce, aby hráči měli čistý štít, a že pokud tam je nějaký talent, který hodně útočí, tak vytváří šance, dává góly, a že nejdůležitější je mít vlastně ten čistý štít, a že jiná hra to byla ve středu, kdy jsme vlastně dali gól vlastně později, a dneska jsme vlastně dali gól na začátku, takže jsme se potom museli snažit, aby jsme nedostali žádný gól.
As you say, one last Abo started, you can finish out.
Yeah, so it's Croatia and Hungary next. How do you view that challenge?
Yeah, tough. 2 away games in June. So yeah, it's tough. We've got camp in May, because obviously to bridge that gap, the Championship finishes the 5th, and I think the Premier League the 12th. So yeah, we didn't want a month without no football. So we've got a camp in May where obviously we can work on stuff, work on the fitness. But no, it's not going to be easy because it's 2 away games, and we've seen the other night Hungary were unlucky against Slovakia in the first game. So it won't be easy, and of course the pedigree of Croatia, what they've shown over the last few years, the quality of player that they've got. You know, I think everyone recognises that they're favourites in the group. So tough, but you know, it's a tough game for them as well. You know, with the quality that we've got.
And where's that camp, here in Cardiff, or are you going away for it?
Going away for it. Yeah, I'm not going to tell you. Abroad. No, going to Portugal. Yeah.
And how long will that be for, Ryan?
It's just for 6 days. Yeah.
Takže jsem vlastně ptal, že Chorvatsko a Maďarsko budou vlastně dál příští vlastně protivníci, a že povídal, že vlastně v júnu v červnu vlastně budou 2 hry, že to bude těžké, že Championship vlastně končí 5. a Premier League končí 12. Takže budeme muset dopracovat na fyzice a že to budou vlastně hry mimo domovskou půdu a že to nebude lehké a že ví, jaký má chorvatskou historii a že tam jsou kvalitní hráče, ale že to bude těžké i pro ně. A že vlastně tréninkový kamp, že bude v Cardiffu, ale bude jinde a potom odpověděl, že v Portugalsku a že to bude na 6 dnů.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you. Yeah, thank you.